to be able to find how to strum and stuff like that, and also learn the keys. Do that yourself. It is time for me to teach you ukulele again. Dun, 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 dun. It's Tobin the Cool here. I'm animated like usual. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you ukulele. If you don't know strings, then you're screwed for this video. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you Riptide again because if you haven't seen my video, I suck at recording. Don't watch it, it's stupid. Okay, just watch this one. So first you do A minor. First things first, I'll teach you a strumming pattern. A strumming pattern is down, down. Let me just play like a certain note. I'll just go A minor again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it goes like this. Down, down. I'll give you a little, like a little teaser, tester, whatever, how it's supposed to sound like. So this is A minor, C, and G, F. Then F is the final one you need for like later in it. So it goes like this. You get it. So you sing the lyrics, whatever. If you want to do more of these, if you want me to do more of these tutorial videos, yeah, I'll do that. Just comment down a song, I'll learn it, and I'll give you the tutorial. So yeah, now you try it. Go like this, A minor, and then G. So basically, this is how many strokes it goes. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. That's how it goes. Now, in the next clip, I'll be teaching you Counting Stars by OneRepublic. Here it is, in a kind of torn up book with really tiny lyrics. Can you read this? I can't. It's really tiny. Okay, so there's... I'm just looking at this for the lyrics. You're gonna need for this song the same notes as last time. Wow. Instead of that, it goes A minor, C, So I played a little bit too far. I went to the part where it's like, so that the chorus goes like this. Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Then there's two other ones. Chorus goes times 2, blah, 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 blah. I'll write down the lyrics in the description below for Counting Stars and Riptide. But you've got the tutorial for the ukulele. See you guys later. Bye.